So these Wilwood brakes we offer as an option on basically all of the front engine cars, as well as the 818 mid-engine car. In a lot of cases, that basically we're replacing an OEM style brake. So in this case, we take a single piston sliding caliper brake, replace it with a 4-piston fixed caliper. In this case, we have an independent caliper for the parking brake, whereas some of them use a drum brake style e-brake, so that we can, not have this secondary thing and still have the fixed caliper. On the front, we're basically getting rid of the entire sliding caliper, whether it's a single piston or a 2-piston, and also putting either a 4-piston or a 6-piston fixed caliper there. Most of the systems work the same way. The fronts all use a 2-piece rotor, and the IRS here uses a 2-piece rotor, so you can replace just the outer disc and keep the hat. Basically, the advantages are diameter, heat dissipation. The rotors are just a much bigger part, so you're going to get a lot better braking, fills out the wheel a lot better, and all of these brake packages are designed specifically to fit inside of our wheels, so you don't have to worry about knowing whether these calipers are going to clear or not.